Today I'm going to show you how to use this Gemex that I got for my birthday. Thank you, dear Melinda. I love you. Now let's try and open it up. Let's see what it has inside. There's a big box. According to this box, it says you can make a heart, a flower, moon, stars, mostly a lot of accessories. It also says adult supervision required. Okay, let's start. I have my mom here watching me, and it looks like there's a lion. What's a pan doing in here? Let's open it. Oh, it's a mirror. And some normal bag. And oh, here's the instructions. I was wondering. Huh? Okay, we don't need that. Now the instructions. Oh, it looks like one actually does go in here. Okay, this looks like it needs a light. Does it need a battery? Does it turn on? Oh. Okay, so it seems like this needs 4 AAA batteries. Let me open that again. Mom, can you go get me some 4 AAA batteries, please? I'm gonna start getting ready. Okay guys, so you also need a screwdriver to unscrew this. Okay, this is open. Let's put the batteries in. Mommy, can you help me? This and these. How do you know where to turn this, guys? Righty, tighty, lefty, loosey. Whoa! Do you see the light? This is cool. It's shining up in the inside. It was glowing. It's dark. Hey! Okay, the first step is to add the magic gel, which is in here. Okay, so I'm gonna put my items over here first, so you know what is what. Okay, it has some glitter, and there's a light that I don't know what's what. Find it. It looks like a vacuum. And this might be. Okay, so I'm gonna make a bracelet to show you how this works. So first it says to put some gel. Magic one, and both of them are. I'm gonna start with the small one first, and it says do not overfill the mold. If you do, you can wipe it with a towel. I'm gonna make a bracelet. Yep, and I'm gonna make sure I don't overfill it. I have to press really hard, or otherwise it won't come out. I really need to use 2 hands. Okay, this is enough of that gel. Now let's add some glitter. I think I'm gonna make a pink one. Okay, in the instructions it said only to add a little bit of glitter at a time. Oh man, I'm making a mess. Mommy, can you get me a brush, please? Thanks, Mom. Okay, so now let's mix it. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of purple glitter. I don't know how to do this neatly. It's my first time doing this, actually. I see why it says adult supervision is needed. This is quite a messy project. How about I just use a different color? Blue. Now you use the stick to mix it. Okay, so I'm gonna add a bit more of this gel mix to fill it up. Okay, so I think that's enough of this. Let's put it on this. So if you don't know what this is, guys, it's a U. If you don't know what this is, guys, it's a UV light. Okay, so once you put the mold in there, you do not open it until it beeps. While the process is going, the lights are lighting up. It takes 3 minutes for this to be done, guys. Oh, it beeped, guys. Okay, it's all done. It's beeping. Let's open it up. I don't know if it's ready yet. Once it's done, you open it up and let it cool down for 30 seconds. Okay, guys, it's ready. Let's pop it out. Whoa. Oh my god, guys, this works! Let's see if it can fit my wrist. I'm gonna see if it fits my wrist. It fits! Yeah, my Linda, I love this. Thank you for getting it for me. Ta-da! I actually love it. It actually fits, Mom. Okay, guys, so this is really cool. And I can't believe I made this. And it may be a little messy, but it is fun to make. With this Gemex is so cool though. You can make all types of the molds. It has unicorns, hearts, butterflies, star and a moon, rainbow, heart, and some others. And one's a daisy, star, heart, another star, more hearts. Circles, domino looking. Hey guys, I found out what this light is about. It says that it's to make a 3D gem. So let's say I was making a flower. Can you see the flower? It's right there. And I wanted to make the yellow part. Then that's what I use this light for. A little flashlight. Okay guys, so I'm gonna continue making some more, but that's it for this video. See you next time, bye! Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, peace!